Just look at my wallet. I ran up $270,000 in the past month with this new meme coin strategy. Make sure to watch till the end because I am ungatekeeping everything. I used to spend months on months trading meme coins every single day in the trenches, and I just kept getting rugged on every single coin, every single time, bro. I just got fed up with the constant losses, and I just kept getting my Solana burned down the drain. But that's exactly why I switched to this new strategy. Now I can turn $100 into $500, and sometimes I can print thousands within minutes or even within an hour. And the method that I am referring to is called launching your own meme coins. So basically, we launch our own meme coin, and when the market cap gets high enough, we simply just remove the liquidity and we print thousands of dollars. Because the truth is that every single coin on the blockchain is eventually going to get rugged. Now, for example, this one, it just got rugged a minute ago. The dev behind this coin made a shit ton of money on every single dip he did. Now, if you truly want to make thousands every single day and you want to escape the losing streak, you have to be making your own coins right now, and you have to stop trading them. Now, that's exactly how I was able to run up a huge bag off launching my own coins, right? And the benefits of launching your own coins is that, first of all, there's no risk involved, okay? The only thing you have to lose is your time, okay? And also, it's free money, bro. You can print thousands just off launching your coins. Now, that's exactly why in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to launch your own coin and make guaranteed money. But of course, this is all for educational purposes only, to show you how it works, so do not copy me, and yeah. So, to launch and create your own coin, you want to come on Google, okay, and type in launchtoken.Fun, and here you will be able to make your own coin. So for example, here you can put the token name, token symbol, and token image. So for example, if Elon Musk, Trump, or if a news drop went viral on Twitter, where you could come here and you can make a coin around that and print thousands of dollars within seconds. But if you are lazy like me and you want to make money with no marketing required, you can come to the third tab right here, click on the copy trending coins feature, and here every single coin is guaranteed to get you buyers, because you will be able to duplicate and replicate these coins, and you can make some guaranteed money within just one click. So for example, the official Pokemon coin right here is pumping and trending on Pump.Fun. It has 300 replies and a $22,000 market cap. So if I had to duplicate this coin, I would make guaranteed money, because I would be listing this coin back on the Radium Dex, not on Pump.Fun. I would be copying this coin and be listing it on the Radium Dex, which will get a much more higher market cap. Because if y'all don't know, Pump.Fun is too saturated, too many coins are being created by the second, and it's just dead. So you have to be launching your coins on Radium. So if I come here and I go on Radium, just look at the market cap: 16k, 30k, 5 million, 7 million, 100,000, okay? And if I compare that to the Pump.Fun Dex, yeah, it's horrible. 30k, 5k, 10k, 5k, okay? So coming back here, you have to be making coins on launchtokens.fun if you want to make some money, okay? I'm gonna create this coin right here because it looks promising. Then, okay, a warning will pop up, but this is completely normal. Just ignore and proceed. Confirm, I understand, confirm, and then your coin will be created shortly, so just be patient. Okay, it popped up. Now copy here and click on create liquidity pool to make your coin tradable on the blockchain. Okay, here it's already selected, here is already selected. The amount token A right here, just click on max because you want to put 1 billion coins in the system, and the amount token B right here is actually the amount of liquidity that you're buying in with your own money. Now you have nothing to lose since you'll be the first buyer inside your coin. Okay, so disclaimer, you have nothing to lose. This money is still in your pocket, so you can put anywhere from 0.3 to 1 Solana. I'll just put 0.5 because that is what I'm comfortable with. Obviously, make sure you have enough in your wallet, and then click on create pool, and then hello, confirm, then click on refresh. Okay, as you can see, it popped up. There are already $13 in profit. Now click on view on Photon and your coin should be live. Yes, go. It is live. Let's fucking go. A bunch of buyers are coming in. Oh my god, bro. Okay, it's pumping a lot. Oh my god, it's pumping a lot. Let's fucking go. No, people are selling, bro. Come on. No, it's selling. Oh my god, it's pumping a lot. Oh my god, this might be a good sign to remove the liquidity, but I'm gonna wait a bit longer. Okay, so if I come back here to launch tokens.Fun and I click on refresh, you can see your profit. I'm $100 in profit. No, it's selling a bit. Okay, I might do one more buyer and then I am removing the liquidity. Oh my god, bro! Okay, it's pumping. Okay, now come back to launch tokens.Fun. Click on the minus button, do 100% remove the liquidity. Come on. Confirm. And boom, we just removed the liquidity. And that's exactly how you print money out of thin air. Now, if I open my Phantom wallet and I check how much I made, $250. So I think I started with $100 or $90. Okay, that's around $180 in profit if I am correct. Bro, I made $200 within a couple seconds. Bro, that's absolutely insane, bro. You can make so much money if you launch like 20 coins every single day, bro. Launch tokens.Fun is linked in the comments down below or in the description, bro. You have to be using it right now before it gets too late. You can make so much money, bro. I'm telling y'all, I am not a guru. I am not here to sell you a course. If you want to enter the 5 Solana giveaway, just like, comment, subscribe, and join my Telegram group down below for free. Happy profits and I buy.